Hello everyone, this is Jag, and in this video I'll cover 7 tips you need to know how to grow ginger. Tip number 1, the season. Now, to be successful in growing ginger in containers, season is very important. Ginger grows the best in summers, and the best time to plant ginger is in mid-spring. Right now here in Central California, it's mid-May. So this is the best time to plant ginger. Tip number 2, get a fat piece of ginger. The piece of ginger should be at least 2 inches long and 2 inches wide. You don't have to worry about finding the eyes on ginger like you do on potatoes. You can plant ginger in any way and it will grow. Break the ginger apart into desired pieces for optimal planting. Tip number 3, prepare a loose composition of soil. I usually use 70% compost, 10% coconut coir to retain moisture, and 20% dirt. Fill your containers with this mixture up to the top. The amount of compost in this mixture will provide enough nutrients for ginger to grow for next few months. Tip number 4, plant ginger about 1 inch deep. You don't want to plant ginger right on the surface or way too deep. Ginger planted right on the surface will be exposed to sun and dry out. Ginger planted way too deep will have a hard time growing and reaching the sun. Tip number 5, when you first plant ginger, water very lightly. You don't want ginger to be sitting in pools of water and rot. Tip number 6, ginger requires full sun, so choose the placement of your containers very wisely. Place the containers in an area that receives full sun. Tip number 7, when the shoots of ginger breaks the soil, start watering generously. Ginger likes a lot of water and it likes moist soil, so don't let the soil dry out. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in another video.